Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a quick time lapse of me doing Russian volume lashes. So I'm just starting off here by cleaning the lashes. I'm using a protein pad to do that. And then I'm just applying the gel pads. Just securing the gel pad a little bit in one corner. Gave me a little bit of difficulty. Brushing through the lashes, and then now I'm just taping back the eyelids slightly. I'm going to use a pre-bonder. That's just to help the glue cure faster, so basically for it to just dry faster. I find this to be really helpful. I apply it on the lashes and also on the extensions, right at the root. And then now I'm just starting the lash process. I like to make my fans on a lash tile. And then I also put the glue on my index finger. I still can't get used to having it like on a little jade tile or anything like that. I tried that, but for some reason that method just does not work for me. So I'm just creating little fans. I believe in this set I used, it's a decurl lash just to kind of open up the eyes a little bit. And I also used from a size 11, I believe, all the way up to a size 15. I love this fan, by the way, it's a lifesaver. I think I got it from a place called Lash Art online. Also, I just realised I've got little lashes on my nails. But don't look at the painting. I did it myself through like the whole lockdown period. I was just experimenting. I'm just using the taping back method, and that's just to help me to get to some of the lashes that are hiding underneath. I find this to be quite useful actually. I do that in the corner as well. Also, I like to work one eye at a time. I don't know if other people do that as well, but I try to do two at the same time, but again, it just doesn't work for me. I always try methods on and off anyways, but for now, I just work one eye at a time. So we finished that eye and now we're on to the other side. I'm repeating the same method on this side as well. Just so you know guys, it's still using the same lash tile from before, just creating little fans, dipping it in the glue and then attaching them. Using a lash mirror, just to check the thickness, check if they're symmetrical. That's just me using the taping back method again, just to reach those little lashes underneath. just go back and do final checks. So any lashes that I've missed, I will just quickly lash them. I'm now just removing the tape. We're going to remove the gel pads, and then I'm going to use a lash sealer, and that just helps the glue cure faster. So it will help the lashes be waterproof from when my client leaves, so they'll be able to wet their lashes in the evening. There you go, that's the finished lashes, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!